Save the drama for your llama.
Good morning, Pedro.
Today is Friday, December 1st, 2023, and I am Chase Blevins.
And I'm Gavin Wilson.
Wait, did you just see that?
See what?
It kind of looked like Huntman flying across the sky.
Yeah, man. It's probably just his publicity stunt to hype up today's capital competition launching during both lunches. He does that sometimes. I mean, it's Huntman.
Okay. Sounds a bit dangerous.
Yeah.
Maybe he should just stick to the miniature version so
Yeah.
he can enter the contest and win the $20 gas card. You know, I'm the same.
I need that $20 gas card.
Anyway, we have many new announcements for y'all, so listen carefully.
Christmas grams will be sold next week.
Yes.
Each Christmas gram consists of a delicious chocolate dipped Oreo
Oh my God.
cookie, and it only costs $1.
That's right.
See Miss Lister and Miss Roby or any junior class prom committee member to order. The money is due the moment of the sale.
Yes, that sounds good. And we also have senior basketball ads on sale. They will be displayed on the big screen in the gym during basketball games and cost only 100 smackaroos. That means $100.
We're also thrilled to announce a high school winter reading contest.
That's right.
It will run from December 5th through January 5th, just like the elementary school one. And there will be some prizes, so stay tuned next week for more details about that. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
And good morning. This is Good Morning PJ with me and Gavin Wisman, and stay classy, Rock Hill High School.
Bye-bye.
Just got launched from the basement of the school all the way up to the second story. Oh. I might be winning that $20 gas card. Good morning, Pedro. This is your weatherman, Hot Man. Today, it's going to be in the 50s and maybe, if we get lucky, in the 60s. This is Good Morning, Pedro, and I am Hot Man, the weatherman.
Arnold Camferman, an instructor who teaches skydiving, is 69 years old, and he free falls about 7,000 feet above Ameland, an island off the coast of the Netherlands.
Did you guys know that deers can see the color blue?
I must remember. Turkey on Thanksgiving, pudding on Christmas, eggs on Easter, chicken on Sunday, fish on Friday, leftovers on Monday. But I'm such a dunce. I went and ate them all at once.
This sauce can accompany delicate sponge puddings or rich Christmas pudding equally well.
Oh, hello. We didn't see you there. We were just too busy partaking in the high school book reading contest that begins in December the 5th all the way through January 5th. You can read these wonderful books in this wonderful library that Rock Hill High School has, and there will be prizes.
this might be right. Either you feel it or you